This video demonstrates how to send documents without logging into Signify, especially for users who cannot integrate their system with Signify. This is available in the Business Pro and Enterprise package. With the help of Signify Print, you can now do this from any program that has a print function. For example, I'll now use a Word file. By pressing Ctrl+P, I will select the Signify printer and then click the Print button. After a few seconds, the system will automatically link to the existing template on Signify. I will only input the recipient's details and click Send. As you can see, I was able to share the document for signature without logging into Signify or uploading the document. So, how does it work? First, you need to log into your account. Go to Settings, then select the Integrations page. From this button, choose Signify Print. From there, you need to download the program and install it on your computer. After installation, Signify Print will appear in your system tray. Right-click on it and select Connect. At this stage, you will be asked to complete authentication using your Signify username and password. Next, select the team to which you wish to add your shared documents. As we can see, we have successfully completed the authorization and connected our user to the program. Next, let's create a template. We have covered templates in another video, which you can check out for full details. Here, you just need to consider a few details. In the template settings, you must have the option Share Document with other similar file checked, as well as Quick Send enabled. You can leave the recipient's fields empty and enter their details directly at the time of sending. Another important factor is that the document must have signature fields for each signatory. Saving this template with the current settings will enable you to effortlessly create and share documents in Signify. Simply press Ctrl+P from any program to avoid printing.